Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm Fig Z. I'm a trucker, and I'm out here in California. I'm gonna deliver a load tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, I got some free time. Sprouts. When I had just first started trucking, I was not eating good. Like, I was not eating healthy. I was always, buying food at the truck stops, going out to eat. And one thing about trucking, it has pushed me to, get to cooking. I've missed certain dishes. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make it. I can't just be spending money all the damn time. Started cooking in here, and I was like, what? I'm gonna make YouTube videos about this just so I can show other people, inspire other truckers, get healthy. I'm excited to make these red chilaquiles. Let's go. Tomatoes, some ajillo, and then dried pepper de árbol, another ingredient. Yeah. So I can't find any corn tortillas. They didn't have any corn tortillas, so now I gotta go to a Target. Yeah, this could work. Before I start making the chilaquiles, I gotta clean up this floor. It's so disturbing, I'm not gonna lie. There's no way I'm gonna cook while having this floor dirty. Like, all right, that's enough. All right, yeah, that's enough. I'm not gonna show you guys more. My little broom. All right, that's better. Also, I finally upgraded to a better stove. Oh, we got the Coleman. Yeah. I had this one right here. Time to upgrade. I'm gonna still have it with me. So did need a 2-burner stove because for the next upcoming meals, if you guys aren't subscribe. I'm gonna be needing it. So yeah, let's open this baby up. Right. The first stove I had, I needed butane fuel. So now with this one, it's propane. Here's the propane fuel that I had to buy separately. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited with this purchase. It's the little things that matter. Ugh. Feels like Christmas. Whoa. The ingredients in here, the tomatoes, an onion. Just gonna put all that right there. Add my water. I need some more water, to be honest. I'm gonna be using 3 guajillo chiles. I'm gonna cut off the little tails and then remove the seeds out of them. All right, that water looks ready. Let's go ahead and drop our tomatoes in there. Our guajillos. I was able to remove most of the seeds, but there's still like a couple of them in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna add like 4 of these. Estos son los picantes. Mira. Chile de árbol. 4 in there. Gotta make sure I don't add like more than 4. I'm also gonna add 1/4 cup of this water. Add a piece of onion. Add my garlic. My chicken consomme. Add 1 cube of this. It's just to give it some flavor. Gonna go ahead and throw some salt. Alright, there we go. I don't want to take a sniff of that. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Oh, wow. Okay. Next, we are gonna fry our tortilla chips. Should be in here. Oh, they're all the way down there. Ugh. There they are. Go ahead and chop these up. That's perfect. All right. That's what I got. Yeah. And get our oil. Instead of throwing all the tortillas in there, I'm gonna put a few at a time just so they can cook evenly. Once I get done with my chips, I'm gonna go ahead and add my salsa into this pan and just let the water evaporate so my salsa can thicken out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the chips. I'm gonna try the salsa right now. Hopefully it's spicy. It looks spicy. Are burnt, bro. I don't like that. Guess I just gotta put them in there and then flip them right away. I did add too much oil to this pan just because I could have used it for my eggs. But luckily, I have another one. I'm trying to get these 2 eggs out, but they're just stuck in there. Dude, what? They're like super glued in there. Bro, these eggs are like, oh sh. We got our eggs. Now we're gonna add our salsa to the pan. And I noticed the color changing. I'm gonna go ahead and add my chips. I should have fried more tortillas, but this is pretty good. Here is the results. Honestly, it looks like a 10 out of 10. And we got the Olipop Tropical Punch. Let me know if you guys have ever cooked this meal, Chilaquiles. If you guys have not, I'll leave the ingredients, the recipe in the bio of this video. But let's go ahead and taste test this Olipop. Oh wow, that's pretty good. All right, let's try this. Oh yeah. There we go. This came out pretty good. I've been craving this for a while now. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna wait till tomorrow morning. I gotta have some chilaquiles right now. Just got done with my meal. Thank you, Jesus, for providing me with food. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. My mom's chilaquiles they're better. They're way better. Mom, if you're watching this, I can't wait to go back home and eat some chilaquiles. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I'm excited to be uploading more content like this. Got some cleaning to do, so yeah, I'll catch you guys later.